Engage folks, today's Sunday night. Let's take a look at the market conditions. 18th, I think it's 18 or 17. Yeah, now it's turned 18th. But yes, let's take a look at the market conditions, see what market look like on upcoming week. It will be a short video, folks. I just drive back home. Quite a bit long drive, 800 miles drive. So, but absolutely we'll be back live tomorrow morning 9:30. All right, so let's take a look and see what market look like here on daily chart is bullish. Here market keep creating divergence since May, but still bulls are there, folks. As you can see, MACD cross, volume bullish, squeeze bullish, condition bullish, everything looking here still bullish. So I don't see any weakness here. Okay, still bulls are there on a daily chart. Let's take a look at the smaller time frame, 4-hour charts. If any changes, 4-hour chart still bulls are there. MACD trying to cross, right? That is also bullish. 1 hour kind of little giving up. 1-hour chart is trying to give up, but the linear line is intact right here, 641. If that breaks, we could go lower, but other than that, it's still bullish. I think MACD filling up the gas to bounce. Okay, most likely the bulls are there. 30-minute chart. 30-minute chart slightly bearish, but 641 is your support. Okay, so linear line is right there. Sorry, trend line is right there. Linear line is also right there. So not it's Monday. Whenever market starts, whenever brand new week starts, folks, market maker always plays some sort of dirty game. So be careful. Still bulls are there. Okay, so even if you break, retest, check it out. Okay. After that it can be bearish, but it look like okay, you never know. So 641, if they break it, then we could go lower. The next target would be around here if that happens. Okay, but most likely they're looking bullish. Okay, so all-time high your resistance around 648. Right now we are at the 641. Okay, 641 we might test if they test it and then bounce. So keep that thing in mind. Let's take a look at the QQQ had some weakness lately. So QQQ looking slight weak. Okay, QQQ looking slightly weak, folks. Okay, continue squeeze, bearish, but not too much. QQQ support is right here, 572, and then it could bounce somewhere around here. Okay, so keep it in mind. And the resistance area is right here. So QQQ 572, if you see, be careful. After that probably you could bounce and then rejection come, we could go lower, but other than that QQQ is still bullish. This is 1-hour chart, but if you take a look at the daily chart, they are still bulls are intact. You can see volume, everything looking nice and bullish. Okay, QQQ is still bullish, but it's not strong bullish, folks. It's sideways bullish. It means not moving too far. Okay, that's what I can see here. So QQQ, be careful. Be careful when to say there is anything crazy. That's what I would say. So sideways. Okay, that's what I would say, sideways. You need something to change. I don't see anything long side and I don't see anything bear side. Long side is everything looking bullish so far, but they are not like pulled back and about to bounce. There we are all sitting all the way at the top. That is the reason we got to be a little careful on a QQQ. So the way the market is right now setting up, folks, is we are sitting all the way at the top. When market is sitting all the way at the top, chasing at the top is dangerous, but still bulls are there. Okay, let's take a look at IWM. Look at this. IWM is still bulls are there. IWM bullish, testing the roof, folks. IWM could bounce. If that bounced to 225, 226, right? That can IWM could be bullish. Okay, IWM, I love the IWM compared to QQQ. IWM could be bullish if this bounce to 226. We could go higher. Okay, if the market turn bullish tomorrow, keep eyes on IWM bull side. If the support breaks, then we can go to 222. Okay, if support breaks 225.80, then we can go down. but this is most likely bullish because of the conditions there. So I like IWM over that. Okay, let's take a look at the Bitcoin. Wow, Bitcoin giving up. Okay, let me see here. Bitcoin is just a conditions are bullish. I expect the bounce on Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin has creating divergence and support is around 111 right here. Okay, but the squeeze bullish. Bitcoin could bounce also probably. Keep eyes on it. Right, but Bitcoin want to go lower 11192. Alrighty. If there's support over here around 112, and then it could bounce. Okay, but still trying to push it little bit lower Bitcoin. Okay, still want to push it a little lower and then could bounce. Conditions are bullish, that's why I'm expecting the bounce on it. All right, and then let's take a look at Tesla. All right, so Tesla is still struggling at the trend line or the resistance right there, but there is no weakness. Okay, it's not weakness, still bulls are there, but doesn't it look like a sideway. Okay, you can see right here, green red, green red, green red. This is daily chart. So I would, like I said, I was expecting to go to 350 if they could do that, but pulling back, retest the cloud, maybe bounce. Still Tesla's okay, still bulls are there, but be careful on the short side. That's what I would say. If you want to short Tesla, you want Tesla to break the 300 and then you can go lower more. Other than that, Tesla doesn't look crazy, but yeah, you might test the cloud, it could bounce also on Tesla because we had price action is above the cloud condition. All right, it doesn't look much interesting, folks. Any direction, it's not super strong, it's not super bearish. That's why I just leave it on Tesla, leave it alone. Okay, then we can take a look at the sector wise, folks. So what I see here, sector rotation probably going on. So if you can look at the healthcare, is money moving out of the technology right now and going into healthcare. So what is moving in healthcare? UNH right there, United Health. Let's take a look at that. UNH. So UNH, Warren Buffett started buying on it. So I think a lot of bulls are lining up here, folks, and I think there might be a trap. They might go to 340 or something like that. Everybody will become bullish, and then these people could pull the rug on them and then bounce. But right now they're looking bullish. Okay, look at the MACD cross, volume coming, bulls are coming in. So this is bullish, wants to go higher. All right, UNH look like a nice and bullish, folks. Okay, UNH looking bullish. Okay, and as you can see, sector rotation going on too. So that's why healthcare for last 5 days, healthcare is going up, technology going down. You can see right there, utility going down. All right, so these are the communication going up. Google, Netflix, and all those stocks are going up. All right, so yeah, keep eyes on it. UNH probably, and we can take a look at the Intel. Hey, Intel, wow, they pull back on Intel, bounce on the news, and then pull back. Interesting. Okay, this is the news driven stock right now. It's heavily shorted stock, but give some time. Okay, all right, so folks, I was supposed to be on Tuesday, but now I'm back. I made it here. So see you guys tomorrow morning 9:30. Everybody take care. Okay, and don't forget to click the like button. See you tomorrow morning. Thanks. Bye.